Hey guys, we're back. So today, I want to work on getting this thing tore down somewhat to the point where we can actually work on it, get it cleaned up. Okay. A, I want to get the engine off. B, I want to get the fenders off. And C, I want to get the handles off. That will pretty much leave all the tin work off of it. And then we can work on cleaning it all up, making it look a lot better. If you'll remember in the first episode, we did get the engine running. This engine does run. And I have got it on my box now, so I don't have to stoop over so low no more, because my back don't like that. Okay, so first of all, we're going to go ahead and squirt some lube on this exhaust pipe, because I don't know, but I think that is not factory. Could be wrong, but I don't think that's factory. So we're going to squirt some penetrating oil on there. And we're going to see, doesn't matter, if you get it everywhere, that's the best. Okay. I'll get you in here a little closer. Okay. Ooh, this thing sounds rusty. Very rusty. Here we go. I thought this. There we go. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Okay. Plan B. We're going to let that soak. Yes. While we let that soak in on the muffler, because that's definitely not going to work today, we're going to go ahead and soak down the rest of these bolts. Yeah. Kind of give us a fighting chance of getting these off. So let's go on ahead and let's take apart these handles off. Let's get these off of here. Let's see here. This is being held on by look at that. I'll be. So now this is loose. All we gotta do is loosen this up now. I gotta get that little bolt off for that set screw. I've applied some PB Blaster to it, as you can tell. What do y'all think the odds of me getting that little sucker out without it breaking off are? We're going to first of all try the trusty old pair of pliers and just see what happens. Cross your fingers that this doesn't break off. Shouldn't be able to do that with a pair of pliers. What the heck? Would you? Huh. That surprised me. Okay, guys, we're going to see if we can get these handles off of here now. That's me. We're back. So I've removed the handles. They're kind of out of the way now. I put a jack under the back end of it so that as I pry on this exhaust, we're not going to tip it over. The jack in the back will kind of help me hold it up some. Let's just see what happens now. I got a feeling that we're going to have to probably heat this up and then quench it to make it where we can get it off. I really don't want to, but I believe we're going to have to. Okay. PV blaster, hopefully going to do its job. Come on, Debbie. Ah. She is stuck in there. Well, I don't want to break it. Last thing I want to do is shear it off in the head. So we're going to have to heat and quench that. Yeah, that's going to be a come back to moment. Okay, so next we're going to try to get these engine bolts out of here. Yeah, I don't know. Nothing's been going good so far. Okay, well, we're going to start our cleaning process by taking off these this cover again. It'll be a whole lot easier to get to all these bolts now because, you know, we can move this motor around all kinds of ways. If you're wondering why we're outside, it's because, well, lighting on my workbench is a premium, and, you know, there is none. So, I gotta fix that. That's on my to-do list. That. Okay. Let me get this little fan shroud off. Go ahead and take all of her skirt off. You know, just see her naked. Okay, there she is in all of her glory, pretty much naked. You know, I don't know. Okay, we're gonna work by just cleaning around here. WD-40 works great for this stuff. I'm gonna show it. Just squirt a little WD-40 on there. Oh yeah, just a little. And when I say a little, I mean, you know, a lot. See what I mean? I mean, it works wonders. That's just WD-40 is all that is. If you'll see, the inside of that is looking pretty rough. It's just surface rust. Kind of like the outside, but a little bit worse. So we're probably going to do some touch-ups to the tins on this motor. Still watching? Yep, there y'all are. Quick tip, if you're going to use a metal wire brush with steel bristles, stainless steel ones, don't use it on paint. But some of these spots are so stuck in that I got to use this to get it out, because that brass one ain't getting it. It's supposed to be a big storm tonight. Yep, they talking like 14 degrees here in Louisiana. 14 degrees. Wow. Now, I was kind of worried about these fenders, but I'm gonna tell you what. I think that's just the right amount of patina. I think too much more, and that would have been, it'd have been too far gone. But I believe that we have just enough here. That okay. think them fenders cleaned up pretty nice. So, like I was saying, how far in the weeds do you really want to get? You know, I mean, this thing is, you know, it's old. This gearbox up here in the front, it needs a lot of help. It's a lot of rusty up here. You know, I mean, I don't know how far in the weeds I want to go with it. It's cleaning up so, okay so far. But Lord, we get off into this front up here, none of that's going to clean up right. Maybe that gear housing, that's about it. We might can get back up in there, clean up in there a little bit better, get that looking good. I think the frame itself is in good shape. I believe that the drive system here is going to need some attention. So I believe that'll be an episode all itself, is us just tackling this system right here. I don't know how I want to handle it yet. I really don't. I don't know if I want to preserve or do I want to strip it down and paint it. Okay. Well, let's keep going. Pull this pin out back here. Yeah. And your back end comes out. Remember, put your stuff back where they came from so that way you know where it goes. I do believe that we can take off these back two bolts right here. And I believe that will separate these halves. It's kind of what I want to do anyways, so let's go ahead and get that out of there. Okay. Yeah, we're going to need a little bit bigger one. Okay, well, move over, Rover. Daggone. I know how to fix this problem. Yep. Be back. Take two, guys. I went and got some power tools now. Let's really quick, we're going to Okay. Let's go to the next setting. Okay. It's coming off, but Lord, it ain't liking it, not one bit. Okay. Whew. Man, that dude didn't want to come off there, did it? Okay. One more. There's another one. Whew. She was on there, wasn't she? Okay. Now. Let's swing in. Sir lifts a lot. Which, by the way, y'all may not know Sir lifts a lot. I got an engine crane now. Let's let y'all look at it real quick. Yeah, I call him Sir Lifts a Lot. So we're going to get Sir Lifts a Lot in here to hold up this point right here in the front so the back end can come off. Let her down some. Okay, I'm thinking. Come in right there. Now when I break this thing in half, this side will be held up by Sir Lifts a Lot. Let's gently tap on it with something that Don't go killing those lids. Just a gentle tap. It's gonna come out. This side's going to be a little more stubborn. Swing it around and let you take a look at it from the other side. Look, can y'all see that? Yeah, y'all can see it. There's that. Well, get back to it. Here we go. You see? Yeah, let's get you up a little bit high. Okay, so here we go. Yeah, this was pretty rough. Yeah, you see all that funk up in there? Yeah, I do too. Wow. Okay. Let's get to it. Well, as y'all can see, we're here. Now I'm going to wind up taking these two parts right here, especially, and probably that little draw ball in the back. Hey, y'all, hear my live studio audience? They're out there. They're getting rowdy because the video is getting a little bit long. Hey, guys, I'm doing what I can. Okay. Well, so I'm going to go ahead and call this video over with for this time. This will be the second episode of it. In our next episode, I will have all this cleaned up, pressure washed, and we will start the reassembly process, getting it all back together.